Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Abeg, if today na your first time to watch or listen to my video, no forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to press notification bell so that anytime I drop video here, you go always dey aware. So my people, the matter wey I carry come today na concerning this Nigerian family wey dey face deportation now in Canada. So wetin happen? This woman, their family of 5, herself, her husband, her daughter wey she carry come from Nigeria, and their son. So when she enter Canada, obviously we all know as everything dey be now, she seek asylum. So based on the story wey she take seek asylum, na im come make Canada government to refuse am. She say her daughter dey the risk of circumcision. We all know say oyibo no dey like to hear say dem wan circumcise your daughter, dem dey forbid am, because that one alone, thousands of people don use am don take get document. Dem don use am take get refugee status. Dem don use am take grant so many people leave to remain just because e dey against their law to circumcise any female daughter. So as this woman come use this story, not less than how many years now, dem not grant this woman, say maybe the story wey she talk na true. And obviously even nowadays, so many of them don know say to circumcise female daughter for Nigeria is all choice. Say okay, if you circumcise your child, nobody go arrest you. If you no circumcise am, nobody dey arrest you. But based on say oyibo believe say e no dey good if you circumcise female daughter, at the end of the day she come grow up, and that child wan come take dey enjoy her obloblo, as Warri pikin take talk am. So because of all those reasons, na im make thousands of people take use am get refugee status then. But now e no dey help so many again. So as dem refuse am, dem come give her letter say okay, dem no grant her asylum process o, make she comot, make she leave the country kpatakpata on Friday at 3 p.m, which was last Friday of November 2009. So dem give her the letter before then. So as this woman see am now, obviously because we all know where we from dey come, say Nigeria don dey fucked up, especially for the poor people wey no even get hope. The rich ones, na dem dey enjoy that country. Na dem dey tell you say Nigeria dey good, either good or bad, e dey sweet. But the ones wey dey look for better future for their own children, sometimes it's not all about ourselves, but it's all about our children. Because we all know where we from dey come, say hope no dey for that country, for any average people, for any poor one. E go make so many of us enter Europe. But now today we can't enter Europe now, hoping say okay, yeah, go dey good for us. But at the end of the day, upon you don spend so much money, don spend so much risk to find your way enter this Western world, you can't end up say you wan wait make oyibo government make dem deport you back to your country. So as dem just give this woman this letter, this woman come say no, she no go wait, she no go see herself return to Nigeria with her condition, with 3 of her children and her husband plus herself, which is their 5, and she still dey pregnant as I dey talk to you, so about for the 3rd baby girl. So na so dem come carry this woman enter hospital as she collapse, just to hear say dem wan deport her. She enter hospital. Now we never know as the case go be now. We pray make God consider, if not because of her, but because of the children. And the one wey she born for Canada there, for me, or for my own point of view, if the one wey she born for Canada get citizenship, the both parents and the other siblings, they don't need to return them back to Nigeria, because it dey for this European law say any parent of European citizen don't need to be deported. Yes, I don't know the law for Canada or for America, but at the end of the day, wetin person no know. Sometimes na person dey give you the awareness. When your child be citizen of country where you dey, if they want deport you, you need to bring the court to the high court. Na high court dey judge the matter, because me never see wey they will take deport a parent of a citizen of that country. Is impossible. Even that time when they be dey do am, so many people they dey against am. Sometimes because of one person, law go favour thousands. So for this woman case, as me dey see am so, if she herself know say her daughter wey she born for Canada there get citizenship, she no need to worry. This is opportunity for her to go look for good lawyer, make dem carry am enter high court. You na go see am, she go end up getting the victory of it all. But if that charge no get, possibility dey say they go deport that woman. But I so much pray make dem no deport her. So that is why, my people, before you enter any country, know the kind story wey you go give. If you know say you no dey sure of story wey you go give, first of all, just dey for that country first, just dey patch. I know say no fit easy though. If you get family there, you fit just kind of try to squat with them before you go get yourself engaged in one job or the other. Despite say e no see easy. So when you don look as the system be, you don't know as ground be for there. If you wan go seek asylum then, e go dey much easier. But if you dey with family, e still dey very very difficult to make. I no lie una, e dey very difficult. So in this woman case now, everything don get k-leg. And Oyibo people, they get one habit. If they say no, their no na no. Especially if you no get anything to back it up for them to consider, say, okay, this their no, they need to retrieve am back to consider your own grant. Your own grant. Only one way where I believe say this woman go really dey free is just make the child wey she get for Canada there get citizenship. You know, make it get citizenship. I don't know why at the same time say Canada come dey deport, and so far so good. Where I don't take the years that they deport so many people, deport so many Nigeria all over this Western world, Canada, the Western world, like Germany. Germany na number one oga when it comes to deportation. Those ones, they know they consider you. Once they refuse you, they don't refuse you. Many of us know what happened recently now. How many people where they don't deport? About a week ago, if you not check this my YouTube channel here, one lady still talk as they take deport one guy. Go Nigeria now. The guy break leg for Germany. This guy condition not even dey okay because of the leg wey break. The leg they never even treat and finish. Now so German government take told this boy back to Nigeria. The other one that day was not last year, I be early this year. I think it was early this year when they deport woman with her 3 children, and then they bust them anyhow. So now only Germany will take the year all those news say deportation now very very high was so called for Germany, for Europe here. Now Germany be number one. Another one they now we are going to see talk about after this one now. Where see they go on for Germany. But say when they come to Canada, I never hear say that they deport, because maybe there is a reason. You know, the rate where Nigerian people don't say they pump, they enter Canada. I believe say all of the way enter Canada, where come get stay, come get their citizenship there now, come sit down there gidigba. Many of them, they don't give different type of story. Even both the one wey go make Canada government to consider them, both the one wey no even make Canada government to consider them, but at last the law still favour them. So for this woman own, wey come dey say dem no consider whether she get 3 children for hand. If dem no consider her story, dem no even consider say she get children and she even dey pregnant. You know say their asylum thing there, e don get as e be. Dem wan make dem start to dey use time to dey tighten up, to lock some security. This Europe wey we all dey today, my people, if you really say make you look am, even for this island wey me dey live, island here where I dey, years ago the door was so much open for everyone to come in. E come get to a point they come dey tight their security. Even if you can't even eat aduro here today, you go stay for camp years. Some people dey for camp for over 6 years. Wetin be 6 years? They no dey answer them. Sometimes they no dey deport na island take be. E dey rare before they go just say they wan deport you. E no be say they no dey deport, e dey rare. But say make e come dey rampant as they do am for Germany for that side. No. Island is different, but the security is so tight now. So for this Canada, where me just dey look so, I believe say now the way they want start to dey close their border for everybody to dey come in. You know, na no Igbo people. If they make their law open to everyone, a day will come, they will make it tight and they will close it without even considering either you get newborn baby or you get belle or you say the kind story wey go even trigger them. Without God not there for your side, sometimes you go just enter that country less than 3 months now for you to face deportation. Just like wetin this man just dey pass through now. Okay, if this man don comot for hospital now, if e be say the daughter wey she born for Canada dem no get citizenship, wetin she go do? Dem fit still want to deport her back to Nigeria. And all this thing, all this whole matter, now the children I dey feel for. Children wey never first go Nigeria before, especially the one wey dem come born for here. Even the one wey dem carry come for Naija, that one don't know the life of Europe here, despite say she still dey young. In fact, if no be our leaders of that Nigeria, now they cause this problem. Because if you say Nigeria still dey bit manageable, e still dey a little bit considering to go. I believe say anybody wey use here say they want deport am go back to his or her country, he or she no go dey worry too much. E go say wetin person go do as far as say she no get where she wan run to, she no get any family wey go accommodate her. So make she just kukuma just wait make dem carry her go back. At least if she reach there, she go look for work or set up good business or look for something to do. But hope no dey for the poor ones. No good school, no good hospital. Na only the rich one they get good life there. The poor one where dey there, many of them they look for way to comot for that country to come get better life for this Western world. How now think say it go be? Say the one come deport you, say go back to your country because they don't accept your asylum process. This is a very, very tough situation. I so much feel sorry for this family. In fact, I don't know where they are going to start from, especially if they don't come get home to enter. Maybe if they get house now, okay, they fit start from somewhere. Life goes on. One thing about traveling to this Europe, it dey give people stress, way to survive. E no easy. You go dey Nigeria, you go dey suffer, dey do your own thing, dey go. You say, okay, you wan go look for better life for Western world, for your children, for yourself. And everything wey you get, you fit come end up sell all the property. just to get yourself a secure, better future for yourself and for your generation. You can't sell all your things where you get. You can't manage enter this Europe. After you don't enter, finish. Open say, you don't arrive. Life go dey better for you now as you don't enter. All the suffer wey you dey suffer for Naija, you don't pull aside. But when you enter here, you can't start again. But you don't go mind say you start again, because you have to start from somewhere. That is life. After you don't feel say, okay, you don't dey for this asylum process 1 year, 2 years, you dey get hope for yourself. Say yes, so no matter what, either good or bad, they not go return you back to Nigeria again to go see that hell, to go to see suffer when you from take comot. But one of a sort, they just come give you letter say they don't accept your asylum. That kind of thing, there not be some people fault, where they just they collapse, where they run, where go say they want run because of deportation. They not go know when they will take break leg or one thing or the other can happen to them on their process running. Not be their fault, because they don't get up. They don't look front, they don't look back. Say where they want go after they don't sell all their property to take on give themselves a better life for Europe here. So those kind of people, when you say me, they go to start. So many things there where we all must look at for those people where they face deportation, because it's not that easy for them. If it really that easy, many no go just say they no go like to go. But at the end of the day, if they see deport you, as I talk for some of my video, it's not the end of the life. Some people sit there for this Europe here, as they don't take rich, they never see make am. Why some wey sit there for Nigeria still make am pass most of them wey sit there for here? Just wetin we really dey enjoy here for Europe, while Europe take dey far better than this Nigeria where we all from dey come. There is good medical care, school. There's a good future. Your future is assured, either you like it or not. Future here na assurance, e dey certain. The children wey you get, their future is balanced. There is no fear of tomorrow for you, not to talk of the children. So now all those things, many things dey wey we all dey consider, where they make so many people they refuse not to go back home, especially if you be person wey get kids for here. But what can you do? If there's somewhere you come out and you don't get where to enter, you just need to just kind of, just take life as you see am. But in this woman case, I pray make God intervention come into it, and make God, because of the children, to make this Canada government to consider them to stay, because it's not easy. It's not easy when they return and go Nigeria. But what can one do? If it happen, it happen. So life goes on. Now some they see the things, but although it's not easy, but life must go on. But before I end this video, I beg, if you be that man or woman, you dey plan to come this Western world, either na Canada you dey go, or na America you dey go, or na this Europe, I beg, first of all, sit down. People wey dey for that country, see kind of ask them as asylum process dey be for that country, because sometimes some of them will just enter country like that boga, without even getting to know more about that country. But by the time you come seek asylum, before you know it, less than 3 months or less than a year, your asylum case don't cover. You come dey face deportation. That time you not go dey sleep well again. You go dey get sleepless nights, because you don't ask right information. You don't ask more details about the asylum process in that country. Go come dey hard for you. So I beg, before na dey seek asylum, make una dey know in her hearts first. People wey dey there, make una dey ask them. So now, so I just see the whole matter, which I feel for this woman. I pray, may God consider those family. It is not easy. So that is it, my people. Now wetin I just say make I break on for now. For those wey never see hear am, make una hear am, so that una go see know how to dey una whole lane. Or if you wan see enter country, you go still know how to dey verify well, so that wetin happen to this woman may not come still happen to you as well. So that is it, my people. Still put your own opinion, wetin you think for this whole thing. So thank you, and see you in my next video.